This time we're going to insert this video card in it. The way it is inserted is that this metal part here will make contact in here. As you can see, there are several kinds of ports here. There's a name for each one, but at the moment I forgot. I think this is called extended ISE or something along that line. Last time I assembled computer, there was only one of them, but now I see there are two. Okay, so we're going to insert that. So it will go in like this. But as you can see here, this guy's getting in the way, so I got to take it out. Okay, then this goes in. You got to flush it against here first and then go down. So go like that. Then we'll go down straight. You can see that it's fitting here, right? There's an extra locking mechanism here. When you pull this out, you cannot just pull it out. You have to push this in first, like this. And then it will be released and it will come out. If you just pull it out, this will not let it go. Okay, the video card is in.